Hey guys, it's the next day and it's my birthday and we are on our way to Shibuya. He's so silly in the back. He's so silly.
Dimmed it off.
But yeah, it's so nice over here. The people are friendly. I think the staff at the hotel is really nice.
They're criminals.
No, they're not.
They charge us to get the taxi.
Right?
Not even to get inside, but to get the taxi.
He's so silly.
Criminals.
He still think he look good.
Black and knees.
He look like a chef.
Black and knees.
He looks better without the hat. But, you know, he insists on wearing the hat. He's stupid. Anyways, let's journey. You know what I noticed? Maybe it's the part that we're on, but they don't drive flashy cars and they're not in flashy clothes or anything. They're just like simple. Everything is just simple and just nice. I really like it. What do you think? Yo, get into this makeup though. Do I look cute? I tried. You see? It's a hunt's nest. Guys, we made it to Shibuya. My page right here. My father's
The Yakuza them see me.
I'm so excited to be here. Pierce. You're not even paying attention. Outfit. So we're trying to find a restaurant and we put it in the GPS, but the GPS is so confusing, like we could barely understand it. Hopefully we can find this restaurant. After being lost, we finally found a Jamaican restaurant because this guy don't eat everything. It looks good, right?
Let's go here.
So we find a nice little cute Jamaican restaurant. I really love the concept. Look at the Jamaican flag, the music, the setup is like so cute. And look at the menu. They got Red Stripe, Anakin, all of that good stuff. Look at that, it's so cute. You know what I'm good? If you stand up in the crosswalk, in the middle, when time to cross, and take a picture and just go like this. You know, like that idea there?
Yes.
Look at this, guys. So good. I love this little restaurant. You excited about your restaurant? Suppose if
Me hungry. Just leave me alone.
suppose if you see the food that them give us last night. Suppose if
That's why I ordered double chicken.
oh my god. I just love this concept. Yo, it's a burner. In full. Why are they doing, sir? Let me taste it.
Where you order? Huh?
Fried chicken,
And what?
rice and peas, because I don't know.
Don't touch my food again.
You can't tell me what to do. You like it?
But
Yeah.
right no more. You could have bought blood more one tomorrow.
So we just finished eating at the restaurant. Back there, they're shooting a movie. Back there. Well, we just finished eating at the restaurant. I guess we're gonna walk around a little bit and then go back to the hotel. It's kind of chilly, so yeah, I really don't want to stay out here all evening. Last night it got so cold. It was so freezing. So freezing. It was freezing. I don't know what he's doing back there. Look at him back there. Mad Jamaican. Look at him. You guys like my outfit? But look at the restaurant. It's so cute.
Yeah.
So our food came. Look
Thank
at
you.
this guy. He's excited. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Japanese. We'll see you. Look at it. It's like a cute little setup. You're stupid. I don't know why your pants so tight. Squeeze my balls.
Yeah, Pinedo. I don't want them to think I have any room for rent. But you got the room. What taxi this?
It looks like it.
Bienvenida a Jamaica.
Look at the chicken spot. Oh, Japan. Look, they have a strip. Guys, it's just like basically sightseeing.
What is it?
Video.
Okay, excuse. look like crossroads on my town. You know what I'm
Look at all these perfumes.
なんか苦手なままじゃいかんと思ってるんです。
The crosswalk, they don't do so. I wish I was staying in Japan just a little bit longer so that I could do more sightseeing. There's a lot to see here, and I like Shibuya, but I guess another time I'll come back here. But the next place I want to go to is Hong Kong. But then again, in May I'm going somewhere, so yeah. I'm stupid. He's so stupid. Look at him. Their train station is so clean and it smells good. Yeah. So we're currently on the train going back to our hotel. This is such a cool experience. Like we were standing in the train station. We were just went in there to walk around to look. I wanted to take the train, but my husband didn't want to take the train. He wanted to take the cab, but I wanted to experience the train. So we went on the train station to look, and then two persons come up to us and asked us if we needed help. Like they're so helpful because I guess they saw us just standing there looking at the space, but we were actually like looking at the view. And then I checked maps on my phone to see what train line we should go on, and then they showed us, and then we asked this guy if he could show us we asked this guy that came up to us and asked us if we needed help in the beginning to show us how to buy the ticket. He showed us around and everything, and then he was like, where I'm from, and then I said New York, and then he was like, oh, he go to Los Angeles like every Christmas. And I was like, really? I love LA. So yeah, they're pretty nice and helpful over here, and I really like that. I really appreciate it, and the experience is it's wonderful. I love it. I would definitely come back here. Yeah, I love it. Seafood Ali.
The next stop is Akasaka Mitsuke, G5.
You mad? So the train line was a little bit difficult, but we found a cheaper way we could save some money. So we just take a cab to a next point, and then when we get closer, we take a train, and then when we get to a closer point, we take a cab. It's cheaper. I mean, it's cheap with food in Japan, but transportation is iffy.
Yeah.
第一ホテルシーホテル住所わかりますか？
Seafort.
アドレスわかりますか？
Oh, address?
はいじゃあ
You're welcome. So we're on the cab. We're in the cab going back to the hotel. Yeah. Guess today was nice.
Eddie Murphy coming to America.
Coming to America.
Hello.
And just made it back to the hotel, and we go into the 7-Elevens. The 7-Eleven, all of them over here is 24 hours. Ain't that good? Ain't that good? Always in a mirror. Made it into the 7-Eleven. We went to get some water and stuff. It's not warm. Okay, cool.
Okay, so they keep checking us. It's not water.
That's the water. That more looked like the water than the water yesterday.
It says water, but it's cheap.
Somebody back there?
Yeah.
I'm like,
Is it water?
get all these cup noodles. Why is he asking if they have Baileys in here? Like, why would there Baileys be in here? I think these are the, oh no. We got so used to the other one that we thought it was hot. So they have, we went somewhere last night, and this section, like right here, right here was warm, and they have like hot tea in like bottles, and then they had the drinks and everything. But these are different. That's what we're looking for, but these are different. I'm kind of tired because I'm on New York time, and it's now like 5 something in the morning in New York, so it's just like slowly crashing. Like I'm ready to go to bed. Yeah. This is our hotel, and we're all the way at the 27th floor. Over there they have the boat, and they have dinner on the boat right there. That's where we had breakfast down there. Let me show you guys the water and the bridge and everything. Yeah, this is so cute. Look guys, isn't this beautiful? This is the boardwalk. So guys, this is our don't make a mess bathroom and closet. And then you walk in. There's the bed.
Everything over here different, yo.
How so?
Like, when them have natural water, but them have all different type of water. The passion water.
Them all that's fine, but I
And
knew
then you
you're
have
but
grapefruit. The grapefruit one we did that drink last night.
we definitely have that one.
We
But
never drink that before. And then
really?
you have lemon water. How wonderful.
This is our bed.
Spiritual water, I tell you. Say Chloe?
You're stupid. See guys, you could see the city. It's so beautiful.
It's not.
Oh, they lit up the bridge.
Not. It is nasty. They'll give you an next pillar page.
They did? No, they didn't. So how much pillar did
Only the 2 white pillars.
really?
Tell you, them could have robbed your head even know it.
A 4 pillar would it have, no?
Yes, that
Why
is
was
not
I
four.
stuttering? This is a great view. They hooked me up. That view. Ooh. Yes, today was a good day, good birthday. So we went to that famous crosswalk that they have. We went to this Jamaican restaurant because he doesn't really, well, we don't really eat anything, you know, Jamaican thing. We like Jamaican food. And we took the train. That was a good experience. It's clean. It's not like New York. And then we took the cab, which still ended up to be more money, which doesn't make any sense because I think they be taking the long way because they want money from us because, you know, they don't see us, so they want to charge us more. I could be wrong, but I just have a feeling. But overall, it was a good experience. I take it he... Okay, it's not that serious. But, yes. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for tomorrow.